Hello traders! Today we will take a look at the difference between the FTMO account and the FTMO Account Swing. We can use this table to show you how they differ. During the FTMO challenge and verification, you can hold all your positions overnight and over the weekend as well. However, as an FTMO trader with the normal account type, you need to close all positions if the market closes for 2 hours or more, typically on Friday. In the case that you trade cryptocurrencies, some of these instruments can be traded during the weekend. However, there are specific trading hours which you will need to monitor and respect. On the FTMO Account Swing, this rule does not apply, which means that there are no restrictions to overnight or weekend holds for any instrument. Another difference is that on the FTMO account, you are not allowed to execute any new trades or close any existing trades on the affected instrument in the window of 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after the release of a restricted news event. On the FTMO Account Swing, you can trade during all news events, including restricted events, without any limitations. Finally, the last difference between the accounts is the leverage. The maximum leverage on all normal accounts, including the FTMO account, is 1 to 100, whereas the swing account type allows our traders to trade during high volatility news releases and hold their positions for a longer time period. The maximum leverage is reduced to 1 to 30. Please be reminded that these leverage limits cannot be increased. Alright traders, that's all we have for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed learning the difference between our FTMO account types, and if you have any questions, leave your comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I wish you all the best.